guys, welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, to be teaching you guys on how you can zoom in on Mac. So guys, if you're a new user and you are unaware about these things and you want to learn how to zoom in a quick way, then this video is for you. So let's get into the video without any delays. So guys, if you want to zoom in, just go ahead and press these three buttons. So guys, all you need to do is press Shift, Command, and the equal sign button. So just go ahead and press them all at once, and as you can see, I'm zooming in. And if you want to zoom out, then right next to the equal sign button you can find a minus button. Just press there, and guys, there you go. That's how you zoom in Mac. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.